every one of you. Just a very quick update of the current situation of the market. If you look at today, right? Today we saw how the Bitcoin price began to shoot close to about, if you look over here, right? The highest price today for the past 24 hours is about 29,197. All right, now Bitcoin has been continuously hitting and trying to break this 29,000 range, okay, and you can see that if it breaks, okay, then we can actually see Bitcoin retesting back the 30,000 resistance level. All right, now there are few reasons I believe that this happened, and one of the important reason is that I believe there are still, okay, I believe you have what to say, you have listened to my previous video, right? I explained to you about how the Paxos, okay, Paxos stable coin, which is BUSDT, all right, BUSDT were having regulatory issues right now. Please understand there are still conversion or swapping of BUSDT going into Bitcoin. All right, so the swapping is still taking place. All right, so this is one of the reasons why you see that there is a massive influx of money flow into Bitcoin, and because of this massive influx that is coming from BUSDT, it is actually pushing the Bitcoin price up. But nevertheless, if you look at the current scenario, okay, on the 6 hour, this 6 hour is considered a small body, and we are looking at the week is weakening already. The momentum is weakening, but nevertheless, okay, please understand, whenever there is no tail, you have to be very careful here, because the price can push up at any time. All right, so this is very, very important. That's the reason why I told you, you only trade what you see, all right, not what you assume that is going to take place. Although yes, over here you may say that, oh, it's going to weaken, so you expect the market to go down. You never expect the market to go down. All right, you cannot assume the market to go down until you see the market goes down. Now please understand that you only listen to what the chart, all right, to what this what to say, this candle is telling you, not you telling the candle what to do. All right, so I hope that is very, very clear. This is very, very important, or else you're going to make a massive blunder, because you have already, okay, make the move even before you see the move taking place. All right, so don't make this mistake. Now on the volume, right, you can see the volume is down, all right, because we saw the we saw, okay, the candle, right, it pushes all the way to 29,000, but then we saw how the sell-off took place. So you can see that, all right, at this moment the volume is down. All right, so this is the reason why I'm mentioning to you that we could expect the momentum actually weakening, and we could actually see even the MFI coming down later on. But nevertheless, do not trade based on this information. Only trade what you see. Okay, this is important. Now let's go to 1 hour. So on 1 hour, you can see now, since the stock market already opened, we are seeing some sell-off taking place. All right, nevertheless, you can see that it is moving up and down, right? These are momentum of the buyers and the sellers at this moment. We do not know, okay, if BUSDT still been swapped. All right, so this is another thing that you have to be very, very careful at this moment. All right, this is very, very important, because we are looking at whenever Bitcoin price going down, the swapping is taking place. All right, because they are taking advantage of the lower Bitcoin price so that they can get more Bitcoin, and then they can push the price up in order to gain significant profitability. But at this moment, you can see that for the past 4 hours, the market has been indecisive. This is a massive volatility of indecisiveness because of the week, okay, up and down. You can see all this week as a massive uncertainty of the market. So stock market just opened, so normally I will allow the market to normalize between 30 minutes to around 60 minutes, okay, to normalize before I make any kind of move to trade or whatever. So all right, now, so this is where patience, okay, patience is significant. You have to wait for the right moment for you to enter in. Now I just want to highlight to you one of the important things that is going to happen tomorrow. All right, so do make sure that you take precaution of this information, because this information then will be very, very helpful to you. Now if you look at the option expiring. Okay, tomorrow we have an option expiring, 31st of March. Option is expiring, and the total expiration is around, okay, the nominal value is around $4 billion. All right, now this is a massive, okay, massive nominal value that is going to be expiring tomorrow. But one thing that I want to highlight to you is that you can see the max pain price is around $24,000. So you can just imagine, right? Currently the Bitcoin price, okay, is around 28,500. If or when this option actually go live tomorrow, all right, please understand that tomorrow we have up to about 4 o'clock, all right, 4 o'clock. So option can be expiring in between of the day tomorrow, and tomorrow is Friday. All right, so you can see how the Friday is leading towards the weekend, and we could probably have one of the massive day tomorrow. So if okay, as you know that I'm expecting Bitcoin to revisit 25,000 range, okay, and close the CME gap. So could this be, all right, could this be the moment that Bitcoin going to go below 25,000, around 24,000, and close that gap, and then further moving sideways and then move downward? So we do not know what is going to really happen, but this is an important insight that I want you to understand. This is basically the CME futures. Okay, so if you go to CME futures, you will be able to see the futures and also the options. Okay, futures and options trading over there, and this is only for the institution. Okay, so the retails are not allowed to get involved. Okay, it's only for the institution, and you can just imagine, right, a nominal value of $4 billion, okay, that is still waiting there. So it is going to take place. Can you see that? It's going to take place. There is 5,000, there is 1,000, all the way, all right, until, okay, 250,000. All right, so this is going to take place tomorrow. All right, taking place tomorrow. But what I want you to really watch is the max pain price, okay, which is around 24,000. All right, so this is just to quickly, okay, highlight to you the importance of understanding this market situation, especially, all right, what is happening with the futures, with the options, with the stock market. All these are indirectly or directly affecting the price of Bitcoin and the crypto market itself. All right, so you have to be very careful. Now, on the other hand, we are now looking at how the authorities or the regulators are going after Binance. All right, now please understand, okay, Binance is one of the biggest ever exchange globally. All right, so at this moment, I believe the regulators they have solid evidence, or they might have enough fabricated evidence against Binance US. All right, so please understand, they are now targeting Binance US and trying to basically bring down Binance US, and this is going to bring about a lot of uncertainty and also non-confidence to the Binance user, and a lot of the users are going to remove their fund away. Now, I want you to understand a few things here, okay? When they remove, okay, when they remove their fund, or let's say, for example, they remove their Bitcoin, they are not selling those Bitcoin. Please understand that. All right, now there are two things over here. One is you move your fund into Binance, into exchanges, and then you sell it. Now, in this event, what happened is that we call this as an outflow. All right, we call this as an outflow, and this is going to basically bring down the price of Bitcoin. Now, what is happening now is different. People are feeling non-confident, so they may remove their Bitcoin and put into their own custody, into their own custodial wallet, where they hold in their own decentralized wallet. Now, in this manner, right, it's basically an hodling. So more people hodl, more people remove their Bitcoin out of the exchanges and hold on their own. This is going to strengthen the price of Bitcoin, and this can actually eventually cause the price of Bitcoin go up. All right, so these are the scenario I want you to understand. So whenever you are reading a news or a narrative, I want you to be able to relate between inflow and outflow, because that will give you an understanding about the money flow. All right, so that is important. Now, so at this moment, okay, with the rate that is going on, I believe that the US regulator are really going after Binance. They want to kill Binance, because Binance is one of the biggest decentralized, okay, finance in the world. All right, so the only way US can take control of the cryptocurrency market, or basically get rid of the cryptocurrency market. Why? Because they have their own agenda. All right, they have their own agenda, they have their own monetary policy that is coming along the way. All right, so I'm going to explain to you later on. Okay, later on I'm going to explain to you what is really happening behind the scene, and please understand that, okay, US has been dominating the world currency power for the past over 70 years, and they will never give up this domination. All right, so now they are also worried with the de-dollarization agenda that is being played by China, Russia, okay, and also Iran and also the Arab countries. Now please understand, all these countries are trading oil in US dollar. Now with the digital yuan, okay, with the coming in of the digital yuan, and probably digital yuan will become the next superpower currency of the world. And please understand that even Russia already have 20% reserve of digital yuan in their balance sheet. So Russia is, a lot of this country are already starting to discuss how they can trade oil in digital yuan. Now this is going to create a big blow to US dollar, and this is why we could see a massive de-dollarization agenda that is taking place, and this is going to be a massive war that we're going to actually see taking place before our eyes. This is an historical moment. I believe probably within the next 5 to 10 years we could see a massive change of power taking place in this world. Now, on the other hand, also please understand that the regulators are going after the stable coins, okay, such as BUSDT, USDC. They're trying to basically remove even USDT. All right, now please understand that this could be a good news. All right, this could be a good news, because as they begin to go after the stable coins, a lot of those people are holding stable coin may want to actually swap or convert their stable coin into Bitcoin. Can you see that? And this is going to cause an influx or inflow of money into Bitcoin. And this is one of the reasons why Bitcoin price can even go to $1 million. All right, so now please understand that when situations are taking place, sometimes, right, a lot of these problems are blessings in disguise. All right, so you just have to be able to relate the news. Okay, don't just read the news and take the news as it is, but look at the implication from the perspective of inflow and outflow, and you will be able to understand, okay, what is really going on. So I hope, okay, this gives you some clarity about especially the macro aspects of what is really happening, and also what is really affecting the price of Bitcoin at this moment, okay. And please take note, tomorrow, okay, do get ready. It's going to be I would say it's going to be a real exciting day we are waiting tomorrow. So probably today the price went up because some of the insiders might already know what is going to happen tomorrow, so they might want to take profit. They push the price up and start to take profit, and then they might wait for the price to come down below 24,000 or so, and then they will then buy back at the bottom. Can you see that? So they are smart, okay. These are the smart money, how they play with the market itself and manipulate the market, you know, in order to take advantage, okay, of the up and down of the market itself. So we must be smart too. So since you are trading, so you must be smart, so at least you know what to expect. On the higher side, I'm expecting 30,000, okay. On the lower side, we are expecting around 25,000. So if for example the options, okay, is being sold off, and we could expect the max pain around 24,000. All right, so take note of this information, and I trust that you are blessed with this, okay, insight. Normally, okay, a lot of this insight you don't get it anywhere else, but this is the place, okay. I believe that, you know, we have a favor. God has given us a favor to be able to understand the market, and because of the favor that we have, we can actually share this information so that everyone who is connected with me, with JD Wealthmaker and JD100X, all right, you can actually have this insight and information, and you can be able to stay ahead of the rest of the people. Now, if you are really, okay, if you were really blessed with this insight, now please do me a favor, share this information, okay, with your friends, with your team. Let them also be able to have access to this information. And if you are actually watching this YouTube channel, make sure that, you know, you comment in the channel. At least I know, okay, that you appreciate this content. And not only that, give a like, okay. And not only that, if you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel, and do share this channel, okay, with your friend, so that more people will be be able to get this information. All right. Now, please understand soon. Okay, there's going to be a separate membership group that I'm going to create, all right, where you can actually be part of this group. That definitely this is not a free group. Okay, it's going to be a paid membership where you can pay a small amount of money, all right, a small amount of fees for you. You can actually have a monthly subscription to be part of this group, where you will get update, okay, of the markets. Okay, I'm going to give you an update of the markets. I'm going to give you access to different aspects of the market, you know, and also I'm going to extend my analysis not only to Bitcoin but to Ethereum and to other to other second layer stable coins. Okay, and also I'm going to give you insight into the indices such as the S&P, Nasdaq, you know, and also right into the stock market, gold and also the silver. So that's going to give you a lot more insight into the market. So if you're interested, you can be part of that group. Soon I'm going to open up that opportunity so that those of you who are interested and you want to pay a smaller monthly subscription to get those information, you can actually do so. All right, so please take note of this information. So those are membership where those information, okay, will not be shared in the public. So not everyone will have access to those kind of information, and those kind of information can actually put you ahead of many people. Okay, put you ahead of the market so that you are ready for what is going to really take place. Okay, so and the other thing is that those of you who are waiting for JD100X, batch 11, it will be basically announced very soon. I think this will be the last batch that I'm going to do for the Jumpstart Masterclass. So those of you who are interested, okay, please make sure you take the opportunity to be part of this final Jumpstart Masterclass, because and thereafter I won't be able to do it because you know that the Pro Inner Circle is going to be 6 months. So those who are coming in, okay, now they're going to stay with me up to the end of this year, which is December. Okay, so please take note of those information. And those of you who are already part of JD100X, I think we have a total of so far, okay, close to about 400 proteges and also mentees, okay, from I think we have about 32 countries so far. I trust that you are blessed, being part of this relationship, being part, okay, connecting with me. I am really grateful of having you on board. I believe that you are experiencing a tremendous extraordinary blessing by being part of what God is doing in my life. All right, so thank you so much. God bless you all. We will catch up once again very soon.